Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best CNC routers review in 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. CNC 500W Spindle Metal Milling Machine. Elevate your metal milling capabilities with the CNC 3018 Max, boasting a 500W spindle and a 20W laser engraver. This CNC wood router is designed for precision in engraving and cutting tasks on materials like MDF and stainless steel. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. CNC 3018 Pro Max DIY Engraving Machine. Embrace the power of CNC with the 3018 Pro Max. This DIY engraving machine, equipped with a laser, offers 3-axis GRBL milling. Number 3. CNC 3018 Pro Max Laser Engraver. Upgrade your DIY game with the CNC 3018 Pro Max. This laser engraving machine, driven by GRBL, excels in 3-axis PCB milling and wood routing. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. TWOWIN CNC 3020 Plus Laser Engraving Machine. Explore metal engraving with TWOWIN CNC 3020 Plus. Featuring a 500W spindle, GRBL control, and DIY milling capabilities. Number 1. VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro Router Engraver with Laser Module. Unleash your creativity with VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro, a versatile 3-axis engraving machine. Equipped with a laser module, it's perfect for DIY woodworking projects. Thanks for watching.